Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a day in the life of an entrepreneur vlog. I'm going to take you with me all along on my day. As you can tell, I'm already ready. I've already done my morning routine, which will be coming to YouTube very soon because I recorded my whole morning routine. But now I'm just going to get started on my day. I've had a delivery of inventory because tomorrow we have a lot of orders to pack. Today is Monday, so today's usually content day, catching up with emails and stuff, and then Tuesday is when we do packing. I have an assistant who comes, her name is Ashley, so she'll be coming tomorrow. But for today I do need to send a package to an influencer who's going to be doing a post or two for us, so I'm going to send her that special delivery. I also need to assess some YouTube videos that have been edited to be released this month because I have an editor now, we thank the Lord. So I'm just gonna confirm whether I like or not those videos and what needs to be changed and so on. Also just a few more like admin tasks, and I'm gonna show you some behind the scenes of my mentoring group and so on. So let's just get straight into the day. I'm about to do a smoothie because I had cereal earlier and I'm still hungry and I'm trying to put on some weight, so we're gonna do a smoothie and I'll catch you afterwards. So now I'm just going to show you the delivery that we got today. So I got one box today of pillowcases and bonnets, which at the moment we've been getting deliveries like weekly, which is new for me. Usually it's like one a month. Let me just put you up here. This is my office. Voila. Behind is like all of the inventory and stuff. I will do an office tour, but I'm just trying to find some nice decor and stuff to make it look better. But for now, this is what we're working with. And this is my mic because my sound on the camera is terrible. So here is inventory. Yeah, so I'm gonna open this up on camera for you. We have a sample because I am working on kids products, so we have a sample of that, and then we have all scrunchies. We have a load of bonnets because pink bonnets are very popular. This is just full of boxes, this area, so yeah. Bonnets, pillowcases. We're just full of pillowcases and bonnets and stuff, so I'm probably going to leave these for Ashley to sort out tomorrow. What she usually does is she will package them into the mesh bags and put them all nice. She has OCD, so she makes sure that they look really good and in order. And then we have all of our poly bags, all of the shampoo brushes, spray bottles. This is some unopened stock that we need to pack up. More spray bottles. I have my Royal Mail supplies, which I will be doing an updated video on this, but that's all just the stuff that we need to send our orders. We have our thank you slips and our satin care guides. Some more mesh bags filled up, which I need to order more because I don't think I have enough for these, so let me order those today. Prime, shout out to Prime. We have our packaging for our pillowcases, and then just some extra stuff, our Royal Mail bags and spare boxes. We have some boxes here as well, and then this is my desk. So I have packed this for an influencer to be sent out, so yeah. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys my mentoring group that I'm currently working with. If you are interested in being in the mentoring group, hit me up on Instagram DM and I will add you and send you the information on how to pay. It's a monthly rolling thing. You can leave at any time, but I recommend at least doing 3 months because I like to do quarterly goals, and I will help you achieve that quarterly goal. We'll share information and so on, and have some Zoom calls monthly for everyone in the group just to ask questions, a bit of a Q&A, and yeah, let's just get started. So right now I'm gonna go into my Facebook ads manager. I recently have started ads, well, like within the past week, and it's starting to work for me, so I'm really excited. I've been getting a return, so I'm just trying to analyze and see how I can scale, as they call it, and then hopefully gain even more sales from the ads. So I'm just looking into the ads that I have created so far, which is quite a lot of ads. Let me see if I can show you. Let me preview some. So it's a carousel ad, so it switches through different images of the pillowcase. I'm only doing ads on the pillowcases at the minute. The next one is a video of the pillowcase being put onto the pillow, and then just shows the benefits of the pillowcase and so on. There's a few that haven't had many clicks today and yesterday, so I'll probably stop those. And then what I'm meant to do is scale up on the ones that are working after about 3 days. So that's probably what I'm going to go ahead and do now. And then also I communicate with my virtual assistant because we are working on a email welcome sequence, so that when someone signs up to Oso Curly's email subscription list, they will get like a discount code off a satin pillowcase, and then hopefully we will gain more sales through that too. So this whole year, guys, is about leveling up. Like, I've been sitting on this amazing business, Oso Curly, like this is my baby, but I've been sitting on it for a while and I haven't really like scaled. So this year is all about like growth and scaling and taking it to a whole nother level, which means introducing paid marketing. So we have been working with influencers lately. A lot of the years that I've started this business, everything has been organic growth, organic marketing, organic influencers, me posting, customers posting. But now it's time to really invest in the business. So I'm gonna start to invest more in paid marketing and see how that works. We're gonna get to it. I'm just gonna give her some feedback and then I will tune in after. So now I'm looking at some graphics for our Instagram page. This is a carousel that my VA worked on, and it's a list of hair masks for curly hair. So she put it together. I'm just going to edit some of it. I'm very picky when it comes to alignment. So like with this one, I'm about to switch it to the side a bit more because I don't know, I'm just very OCD when it comes to alignments and the sizing of things. So this size is 56.4 and this is using Canva, guys, so I'll leave a link for Canva down below. So what I've always used for my business graphics, and it is free, which I love. I love some stuff that's free. I never knew how to use Photoshop, but this is a great alternative to Photoshop if you don't have it like me. Yeah, I'm good with that. So that's approved. We're gonna go ahead with that and save it to put in Planoly. Always have a to-do list, like it's necessary for me. I'm a Gemini, so I tend to jump through things. So I'll go from like one thing, then my mind will come up with another idea, then another, and I just jump around. So having a to-do list for me is just necessary. Now all I need to do is go to send the package for the influencer to the post office. And do I have any emails? Usually there is a lot of emails, so emails is like not my favorite thing to do at all. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of emails for me to get to. But we're gonna leave that for now. None of it is urgent. Like my customer service emails, they get dealt with by my VA, so it's not that I'm skipping. It's just the ones for me. Let go. Alright, I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me, but yes guys, so I am in my car park. I don't think I've ever vlogged while I've been living in my own place. So yeah, this is not that I'm gonna show you it, but yeah. So I'm gonna head to the post office now and let's send off this influencer package. It is hot, so I need to turn this fan on. So it's about to be loud, but yeah, I'll show you guys when I get to the post office. I am at my PO box where I need to pick up some returns if there has been any, and if I have any packages I need to pick up them too. It would help if I have my key. So I got packages and returns. Random angle, but yes, I've just got back from the post office and my PO box, and when I was at my PO box I realized that I had a package from one of my Instagram followers who has a business. If you didn't know, on my IG, I have been doing lives on a Saturday called Small Business Saturdays, where I just give tips on small businesses and I allow some business owners to come up and just promote their business. And this is from one of them. I will leave the link down below because I can't remember the IG handles, but this is one of the mugs from someone. So I'm back, guys, and what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to evaluate some of the YouTube videos that my editor has completed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and evaluate and watch these videos and make notes on the things that need changing, and I usually do this with just a notepad and pen, and then I write down the times where things need changing. So if it's like at 4 minutes 2 seconds there's something I want to cut out, I'll just write down that time and then put cut out and then send it to her via WhatsApp. So yeah, let's get straight into it. You actually see me look to the side, which I don't like, so usually I would just cut it right before I look to the side. So I'm just going to say at 0046, cut me looking to the side. So overall, really happy with the videos. I've made my notes here that I'm gonna then send a message to the editor, let her know my feedback and changes, and then all should be good, and hopefully she gets the videos back by the end of this week, and then I'll be ready to upload them to YouTube and ready to post. Now I need to buy some inventory, so I need to buy some packaging for the pillowcases so that they are ready to be shipped out tomorrow. I think everything is pretty much done on my to-do list. The time is now 4 p.m. so I've pretty much done everything quite early. When it gets to like 5, I usually I cook dinner, have my dinner, and then I usually chill and watch some inspiration for the rest of the evening, or if I have any last minute things to do, I will do that too. But it seems like I've pretty much done what I need to be done today. Tomorrow is when the real work and the real magic happens, but I will have a full video on how I ship and pack orders with my assistant, and that will be coming very soon. So I hope this video wasn't too boring for you. I mean, there was a lot going on, so hopefully you learned a lot and you've seen a Monday in behind the scenes of what I do. This is like not a typical day. Every day is different, really and truly, except for packing days. Like a Tuesday is pretty much the same every week. Every other day, it depends what's going on within my businesses. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and if you liked this type of vlog style video, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.